guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my schoolhouse. I'm so excited to finally be back. We just moved in yesterday on Monday, on Labor Day. It's now Tuesday, obviously, and I'm not doing anything today, so I figured I'd give you guys a little room tour. I fully intended on doing a moving in vlog, which I thought would be like so much more fun and entertaining, but everything that could go wrong on a move-in day went wrong. So we didn't end up moving into the house until like 3 p.m. And like if I tried to vlog or even take out my phone, my mom probably would have thrown like my dresser at me because we were so stressed out. But everything worked out, obviously. I'm here, I'm so happy. So we're just gonna do a little room tour. So let's get into it. All right, so we'll start with where you walk in, obviously the door. And the lovely summer tenants, I guess child, left me a beautiful art piece. So I'm either gonna paint over that or maybe get some kind of like wallpaper, I'm not sure yet, but whatever, we'll ignore that. And right when you walk in is my like little armoire thing because I am in a bedroom that doesn't have a closet because I'm on the bottom floor. So this is what I have. I just have this little sticky note. I write my class schedules and like little notes, work, whatever. So this is my armoire and this is what it looks like. I have a little Boss Babe sign up there. It's from IKEA and it just opens up. Don't mind my closet, it's still kind of a work in progress, but it opens up into a pretty decent sized closet. I have a shoe rack down there. I ran out of hangers for those. My jeans up here. So that's that. And then in this third door right here, I just have a little, what are these called? Dream catcher? I was gonna say wishing well. And I have this little shelving system. So on the bottom here, I have sweatpants and sweatshirts. Here I have pajamas. And then I have this gold basket from Home Goods, I believe, or TJ Maxx, and it just has some makeup stuff and makeup like products and brushes in here, stuff that I don't use every single day. And then in the back is cleaning supplies, just because I just threw them back there. And then up here up top, I have my hair tools. I have everyday stuff, deodorant, perfume, lotions. And by the way, this is my favorite spray ever. I literally don't even use real woman perfume, I just use this. And then this black coconut sands, thank me later. It's probably gone now, but this is the best summer scent. I wanna wear it all year. And then in this basket is just scrunchies, my brush, some hair stuff in there. And then as we come over here is my favorite little corner, it came out so cute. So I have this rug from TJ Maxx with this fur stool, and I just have a cheetah blanket there on top. And then I have this little shelving unit holding up my mirror. So I put these vines, they're from Hobby Lobby, with these lights. They're really old, probably from Home Goods. You can find anything like that. And I wrap them around up top so they kind of hang. And then on this shelving unit, I just have everyday makeup storage, makeup brushes. I have skincare right there, and then just a random candle because I didn't have anything to put on this shelf. And right next to it, I have this little plant, also from Hobby Lobby. And then right here is my favorite, cutest section. So I have this moon from last year. I got it from probably Five Below, honestly. And then these little fake Polaroid pictures. So I actually used this random app on my phone called Pixo and printed out all these pictures. And I think they just look so cute. They're of like my best friends and family from home and from school. So cute. And then I have a window. And right here, I have a little like aesthetic, vibey picture collage. You know, every girl has one of these nowadays. My dad, when I was putting it up, just totally didn't understand. He was like, what is this? But you know, if you know, you know. So I got a hanging plant here, also from Actually, the burlap like hanging part is from Amazon. The plant is probably from like Home Goods or Marshalls. And I have giant string lights running across the ceiling. All right, and now for my bed. My bed is the hardest thing to decorate because it's so weird. So it's 2 twin beds with a king mattress topper. So like, and this is a king comforter obviously and everything, but it just doesn't, like it doesn't fit right. So I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go get a bed skirt. But whatever, it looks fine. So this is the same comforter I had last year. It's from Home Goods. I throw on this little purplish mauve colored blanket. And then I have my sleeping pillows in the back, 2 cheetah. This brown one is from Pier 1, I believe. And these are from TJ Maxx. These are new. And right on top, I have a little shelf from Amazon, just with some knickknacks on it, and this flower mural from Hobby Lobby, which I love. It's a purple color, so it kind of brings in the pillows and the blanket and just adds some color. I had a tapestry up last year, but I figured it was time for a new change. I feel like the tapestry isn't in style anymore, so I'm doing more of a plain bare wall. I might put something here, I'm not sure yet. I like the plain for now. All right, so now my nightstand right here. This is a little overview of it. So I have these random flower assortments, all from Hobby Lobby, including the vase, which I absolutely love. And then I have this pumpkin from Target. So cute. Fall is coming. It's my favorite season. I have a picture frame. It's so old, but again, it's probably from like TJ Maxx. And then I have a diffuser, air diffuser. And then in here, in my nightstand, this is kind of like my medicine. So I have antibacterial, vitamins, gum, hand sanitizers, like cough drops, Advil, a lighter for candles, and then a remote for my lights. And then in here, I kind of have random stuff. I have my chargers, my Apple Watch, coconut oil for my legs, my retainer, lovely. And then right underneath, I just have another plant, and all the way in the back is tissues and a basket with like extra command hooks and all of that. And then the eyesore of the room, my water, because I have nowhere else to put it. And then when you go up, I have this little shelf wall thingy. I don't even know what to call it. But I always dress it up because, again, it has a bunch of markings all over it from previous tenants. So I try and cover it up with as much stuff. I just have this candle berry spritzer. Again, it's a purple color. It kind of ties in with all the other purples. I have some picture frames, both from Hobby Lobby from a couple years ago. And then my jewelry holder. As you guys saw me in my last video, pack all this jewelry, so it actually looks really cute when it's hung. I like the way it looks. And then right above, I have this hanging plant, also from Amazon. And as we move over, I have this rug. This is so old. I've had it since freshman year of college, probably from Home Goods. It's just like a little rug hanging thing. And then I have my hamper from Home Goods. I love the color and the size is perfect. And then I have my dresser. So on top of my dresser, I have this cute little tassel bucket, kind of just for random stuff. I have party lights, a hat, my tapestry just in case. Oh, a water bottle. That's a surprise. I'd probably put that in there when we were packing. And a birthday sash for my birthday. I have a family picture, another purple candle, some Prosecco, not decoration, and then some fake flowers and my little cheetah planner. And right above, again, I have this shelving unit from Amazon with a couple little knickknacks on it and a little cross from Hobby Lobby. They have the cutest crosses there. And as for my dresser, it's not really too exciting. My top drawer is basics, underwear, bras, socks, belts, whatever. My second drawer is like filled to the top. Basic clothes, everyday clothes. This one is going out tops. And then the bottom is workout clothes. And that's basically full circle. It's not fully complete yet. Again, I need to fix some of the little issues with the room, but I really love how it turned out. It's so cozy. It's really simple, but definitely vibey. I love the way it looks at night too, with the lights lit up and everything. But that is that for this video. I know it was short and sweet, but again, I couldn't make it a vlog because it would have been too much, but I did want to show you guys my room and introduce you to my room. And this is going to be the intro to some back to school, at school, and college vlogs. So I hope you guys are excited for school as I am. I really am. I hope you guys are staying healthy and smart, and subscribe, like my video, and I will see you guys next time for some good content. See you. Bye.